What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Alexis Marchand here from the Four Pillar Journey. And a few days ago, I had a very interesting experience within myself. I was thinking and I was analyzing, and I realized one thing. I'm over here talking about or preaching the benefits of self improvement, how to better yourself, but I never took the time to analyze my own deep flaws. They're human flaws, for a fact, such things as gluttony, addiction, greed, envy. All of these things, they come so naturally to us that we don't even realize that those very things are the things that are killing us, making us bad humans. We're so easily attached to our animalistic instincts that we don't take the time to analyze those instincts or attributes, and we don't realize how they're impacting our daily life. You see, me personally, I had the tendency to have that addictive personality. If there's something I like, whether that be smoking or going to the gym or working on my business, if it's something I like, I will go at it daily. And one of the things we have to realize is we have to learn how to take the negative actions or impulses that we have and turn them into a positive. Like I just said, I could have taken that addictive personality and put it to bad use with drugs, alcohol, and it could kill my life, or masturbating. But rather, I took the time to analyze myself, realize all of the flaws that I have and how I can turn them into a positive. So many of us are so quick to judge and point the finger on how somebody else is or is acting, but we never take the time to look at ourselves and see what is wrong with us. Am I a douchebag? Am I impatient? All of these things you have to realize and assert within yourself to see who you really are. Very few people understand who they are completely. And one of the things is, it's because we do not take the time to analyze ourselves. We block out all of the things that are dirty and nasty about us, and we try to highlight all of the positives. But what you don't realize is by hiding and blocking away all of those bad attributes that you may have, that will only make things worse in the future. That is why so many older folks are very hard to hear or even talk to. They have all of this negativity inside of them, and that is because of a lack of self accountability that they didn't have in the past. Now, they're this person that's filled with this negative, nasty energy that no one wants to be around. They're all sour and like, it's weird. You talk to them and it's just like, man, what happened to you? What did you go through that made you this way? But we have to understand is that they try to block out reality. And now reality is haunting them. They're seeing who they really are and they don't want to change it anymore. They just accept it. But you and I still have the chance to change ourselves. But it is a lot easier said than done to look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, do I know myself? Do I really know who I am? Because you might be in a good mood and bring up all these positives, and next thing you know, you're driving, someone cuts you off, and you get violent. I've fallen victim of this myself, and it takes time and practice to really assert who we are, but more importantly, all of the negative attributes that I do or you have, how can I change them? Slowly but surely. In one of my earlier videos, I said I was very impatient, and that is still true to a point. I couldn't be in line more than 5 minutes or I would get heated. But now I understand that getting angry solves nothing. All of these negative emotions that come out, they solve nothing. We have to be very understanding of our situation. Is me getting angry for waiting in line a little too long, is that going to solve anything? Or am I better off understanding that and just being patient? Does it solve anything by me being a douchebag to anybody around me, being a dick, not being understanding? Those things affect you in one way or another. And that's what you have to understand. No matter how much you praise yourself, how perfect you think you have flaws, such as I and such as everybody else in this world. That is why it's so important to understand your flaws. That way, when someone has flaws, you can understand them a lot better and you're not so quick to judge, because at the end of the day, you know that you and that person are not very different. We all want the same thing: peace, happiness, prosperity, love. We do not want these negative emotions to run our life, such as them themselves who are struggling and ourselves. That's why, like I keep repeating, if you understand your own negative emotions or traits and start handling them a little better, it will be a lot easier for you to understand where other people are coming from, makes you a better communicator, and it helps you understand people a lot better, the world a lot better, and it will give you the clarity you need on how to move forward. I hope this video really resonates with you guys. It's very important to understand our flaws and how to fix them slowly so we can become the better version of ourselves. And that way, you can help other people whenever they're in time of need. You will be able to understand and relate to them and be able to provide a reasonable solution to their problems. That's it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And as always, please remember to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.